Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to get YouTube channel link. I mean your YouTube channel link. There are two ways, but I will show you the first and this is the best. Also the easy one. So what is that? Here you will see when you upload videos, you got this icon of your channel. Click on your channel. As you can see, your channel is showing. It's really simple. Click on three dot, click on share button. That's it. You just have to copy this link and now this is your channel link. Let me show you how it will look like if I paste it in browser. So this browser automatically detect my YouTube channel. Let me search it on Google. Let's see how it will show. As you can see guys, this is working really fine. You can get your YouTube channel link with the help of share button. So this is the way you can get your channel link in your Android or iOS device. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If yes, subscribe this channel because you will get a lot of content related to YouTube in future. Thank you so much and see you in the next one.